What's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Biker Kid Pritesh Vlogs, and today again we are heading out to one waterfall. We have already reached actually. It was raining so we couldn't make much video, so I'm with my friend Isaac and we are at Harvalem Waterfall, and we cannot go in water because there are crocodiles. Warning was given, so we are just going to sit and chill over here. So we have removed all the raincoat and all, and I'm with Isaac and this is the view from here. Videographer spotted. So we are done with the adventure of Harvalem Waterfall and we are heading up. So these are stairs. There are two ways to come over here, by stairs and from the other way around.